Welcome all of you, my dear students. I am Dr. Suman Sharma. You know, students, due to COVID days, we are delivering the lectures through YouTube channel. All the lectures in the video form uploading on YouTube channel and their links being provided to you on your WhatsApp groups. Students, today I am going to deliver my lecture on polyamides. The lectures on classification of polymers, Ziegler-Natta catalyst, condensation polymerization, and polyester have been taught to you. So today, in continuation, we will study the next part of synthetic polymer. So let us talk about the polyamides. You know, students, the polyamide fiber is used in the manufacture of electrical equipment, in laminating materials, and for flooring. It is very interesting topic. So let us know about the chemistry of polyamides. Okay. Now, first of all, we know about the polyamide fiber. Polyamide fiber is a synthetic fiber of polymer containing amide linkages, right? The polyamide fibers include the nylons and the aramid fibers. Okay, both fiber types are formed from polymers of long chain polyamides, right? Polyamides containing less than 85% of amide linkages directly attached to aromatic rings are termed as nylon fiber, right? The aramid polyamide fibers are formed from a long chain of synthetic polyamides in which at least 85% of the amide linkages are attached to aromatic rings, right? Here is the structure of polyamide fiber, right? It's the carbonyl group, right? It's a amide linkages and it's a amine group, right? Polyamide substances composed of long multiple unit molecules in which the repeating units in the molecular chain are linked together by amide groups, right? Amide groups have the general chemical formula CONH, right? They may be produced by the interaction of an amine group and a carboxyl group, right? Amine is NH2 group and carboxyl is COOH group, right? NH2 plus COH, we get CONH plus H2O. It's a amide linkage. Carboxylic acid reacts with amine, hydrolysis take place and amide is formed and water is also formed, right? Here is the reaction. Okay. फिर आता है पॉलीएमाइड हिस्ट्री, ठीक है ना? पॉलीएमाइड्स जो है उसकी क्या हिस्ट्री है? पॉलीएमाइड, इसको हम पीए से भी डिनोट करते हैं. पीए इज कंसीडर्ड द फर्स्ट इंजीनियरिंग थर्मोप्लास्टिक. PA is one of many heterochain thermoplastics which has atoms other than carbon in the chain, right? PA invented in 1928 by Walesi, Carothers, DuPont in search of a super polyester fiber with molecular weights greater than 10,000, right? First commercial nylon in 1938. Okay, Pa was created when a condensation reaction occurred between amino acids, dibasic acids and diamines, right? Nylons are described by a numbering system which indicates the number of carbon atoms in the monomer chains, right? Amino acid polymers are designed by a single number as nylon 6, okay? Diamines and dibasic acids are designated with two numbers, the first representing the diamine and the second indicating the adipic acid, right? As in nylon 6,6 or nylon 6,10 with sebacic acid, okay? So it's the history of polyamides. अब आता है commonly used polyamides. First is the large number of polyamide materials available to produce nylon fibers, right? The second is the two most common versions are नायलॉन 6,6 और इसको हम पॉलीहेक्सामिथाइलिन डायमाइड भी कहते हैं, और दूसरा है नायलॉन 6, ये क्या है पॉलीकैप्रोलैक्टम, ओके? यहाँ पर हमने ये दोनों के जो है रिएक्शन देकर इसको शो कर रखा है. फर्स्ट इज नायलॉन 6,6, राइट, एंड सेकेंड वन इज नायलॉन फर्स्ट इज नायलॉन 6 एंड सेकेंड इज नायलॉन 6,6. ठीक है, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एडिपिक एसिड प्लस हेक्सामिथाइलिन डायमीन, राइट? तो इट्स द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नायलॉन 6,6, राइट? फिर हियर इज द स्ट्रक्चर, कलरफुल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नायलॉन 6 एंड नायलॉन 6,6. यहाँ पर जो ब्लू कलर है वो नाइट्रोजन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ग्रीन कलर है वो कार्बन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और रेड कलर ऑक्सीजन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, एंड वाइट कलर हाइड्रोजन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. तो ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये तो नायलॉन 6 का है, और ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये नायलॉन 6,6 का है, राइट? कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. अब यहाँ पर हम नायलॉन 6 के बारे में और नायलॉन 6,6 के जो है कंपैरेटिव स्टडी करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज द नंबर 6 इंडिकेट्स द नंबर ऑफ बैकबोन कार्बन्स इन द रिपीट यूनिट, राइट? पॉलीएस कैप्रोलैक्टम और पॉलीकैप्रोलैक्टम or poly-6 amino hexanoic acid, right, is the source based, okay? And structure based, now IUPAC polypentamethylene carboxamide, right? IUPAC name of nylon 6 is polypentamethylene carboxamide, right? और यहाँ पर जो है स्ट्रक्चर बेस्ड, ये क्या है IUPAC नेम, ये है पॉली इमिनो 1 ऑक्सो हेक्सामिथाइलिन, राइट? फिर आता है नायलॉन 6,6. द 2,6S इंडिकेट्स द नंबर ऑफ बैकबोन कार्बन्स इन द एमीन एंड एसिड रेजिड्यूज रेस्पेक्टिवली ऑफ द रिपीट यूनिट, राइट? फिर इसका सोर्स बेस्ड क्या है, पॉली हेक्सामिथाइलिन डाईएमीन एडिपिक एसिड और पॉली 1,6 हेक्सेन डाईएमीन एडिपिक एसिड, राइट? फिर है स्ट्रक्चर बेस्ड न्यू IUPAC नेम पॉली हेक्सामिथाइलिन एडिप एमाइड, राइट? फिर है स्ट्रक्चर बेस्ड IUPAC नेम पॉली इमिनो हेक्सामिथाइलिन इमिनो एडिपोक्साइल, राइट? फिर यहाँ पर हमने इसको नायलॉन 6 का जो है स्ट्रक्चर शो कर रखा है. also known as polycaprolactam, राइट। नायलॉन को हम पॉलीकैप्रोलैक्टम भी कहते हैं, नायलॉन 6 को। इट इज़ अ सेमी क्रिस्टलाइन पॉलीएमाइड, राइट। Unlike most other nylons, nylon 6 is not formed by condensation polymer, but instead it is formed by ring opening polymerization, right? Nylon 6 का जो फॉर्मेशन है वो कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन से नहीं होता है, ये क्या है, रिंग ओपनिंग पॉलीमराइजेशन शो करता है, राइट। फिर आता है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नायलॉन 6। Nylon 6 is prepared from E-caprolactam in the presence of water, which act as catalyst, and acetic acid as a molecular weight regulator. The typical combination is charged into the vessel and reacted under a nitrogen blanket at 250 degree centigrade for about 12 आवर्स। तो नायलॉन 6 का फॉर्मेशन होता है, ये यहाँ पर हमने रिएक्शन देकर शो कर रखा है, राइट। कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। फिर आता है केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ नायलॉन 6। नायलॉन 6 इज मेड फ्रॉम कैप्रोलैक्टम which is made by a series of reactions using products obtained from कोल तार। कोल तार की रिएक्टिविटी बेंजीन से ज़्यादा होती है, बेंजीन क्लोरीन से, देन क्लोरोबेंजीन से, देन सोडियम फिनेट HCl मीडिया से, देन फिनॉल H2 निकल, यहाँ पर साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉल ऑक्सीडेशन एयर Fe जिंक कैटलिस्ट, साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉन ऑक्सीम H2SO4 and caprolactam, right? Here is the chemical reactivity of these compounds, right? I am including it to show that it is possible to get a polyamide from a single monomer called caprolactam, right? Here is the structure. Caprolactam is a white flaky solid melting at 68 degree and is soluble in water. The polymerization is carried out in stainless steel cylinders, right? फिर आता है polymerization of nylon 6. Caprolactam has 6 carbon, hence nylon 6 when caprolactam is heated at 533 Kelvin in presence of nitrogen for 4 to 5 hours. The ring breaks and undergoes polymerization. Here is the reaction, right? Amide bond within each caprolactam molecule broken, the ring opens and the molecules join up in a continuous chain, right? Here is the reaction, right? It's a step growth process, okay? फिर आता है केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नायलॉन 6। एसिड्स कंसनट्रेटेड पुअर, एसिड्स डाइल्यूट पुअर, एल्कोहल्स गुड, एल्कलीज गुड फेयर, एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स गुड, ग्रीसेज एंड ऑयल्स गुड, halogenated hydrocarbons good and poor, halogens poor and ketones good, right? It's the chemical reactivity towards nylon 6, okay? फिर आती है फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नायलॉन 6। डेंसिटी इन ग्राम सेंटीमीटर माइनस क्यूब इज 1.13, flammability is Hb, limiting oxygen index percent is 25, radiation resistance fair, refractive index 1.53, resistance to ultraviolet poor, water absorption equilibrium percentage less than 8, water absorption over 24 hours percentage is 2.7, right? These are the physical properties of nylon 6, okay? फिर आता है नायलॉन 6 द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट। specified type of nylon 6,6 are frequently available in forms differing in molecular weight. The main differences between such grades it is in melt viscosity, the more viscous grades being more suitable for processing by extraction techniques, right? Second thing is N substitution, replacement of the hydrogen atom in the CONH groups as CH3 and CH2OCH3 will causes a reduction in the interchain attraction and a consequent decreases in softening point, right? Rubbery products may be obtained from methoxymethyl nylons. Okay, then copolymerization. Copolymerization, as usual, leads to less crystalline and frequently amorphous materials. These materials, as might be expected, and tough leather like flexible and when unfilled reasonably transparent. Okay, come to the next slide. फिर आता है केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ नायलॉन 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is made of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, which gives nylon 6,6. A total of 12 carbon atoms and its name nylon 6,6. Right, here is the reaction. It's a nylon 6,6, adipic acid 6 carbon atoms, hexamethylene diamine 6 carbons. Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid are combined with water in a reactor. This produces nylon salt. The nylon salt is then sent to an evaporator, whereas excess water is removed. The nylon salt goes into a reaction vessel, whereas a continuous polymerization process takes place. Right? Come to the next slide. फिर आता है polymerization of nylon 6,6. One of the monomers is a 6 carbon acid with a COH group at each end, hexane dioic acid. Right, here is the structure. The other monomer is a 6 carbon chain with an amino group NH2 at each end. This is 1,6 diaminohexane. Here is the structure. When these two compounds polymerize, the amine and acid groups combine each time with the loss of a molecule of water. This is known as condensation polymerization. Right? Condensation polymerization is the formation of a polymer involving the loss of a small molecules. In this case, the molecule is water. Right? Here is the water and water, etc. Keeps on happening, and so you get a chain which looks like this. Right? Okay. Come to the next slide. फिर आती है chemical properties of nylon. Right? Properties and value. Material, medium, high density. Density in gram centimeter cube 1.14, 1.14. Extension to break percentage 37 and 14 to 22. Right? Shrinkage at the rate of 100 C percentage 9 and 9 to 11. Right? Specific density is 43 and 60 to 80. Right? These are the chemical properties of nylon 6,6. Right? फिर आता है uses of nylons. Synthetic replacement for silk. Okay? It replaced silk in military applications such as parachutes and flak vest, and was used in many types of vehicle tires. Right? Used in many applications including fabrics, bridal veils, carpets, musical strings and ropes. Right? Here is the structure. It's a hoses and these are the ropes. Okay. फिर आते हैं नाइलॉन फाइबर्स. Nylon is a generic designation for a family of synthetic polymers known as polyamides, first produced on February 28, 1935. Right? There are several forms of nylon fiber depending on the chemical synthesis, such as nylon 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 10, 6, 12, 8, 10 and 11. Okay. The nylons are generally tough, strong, durable fiber useful in wide range of textile applications. Okay. Nylon is found in clothes all the times, but also in other places in the form of thermoplastic materials. Right. फिर आता है एप्लीकेशंस फॉर पॉलीएमाइड्स. फाइबर एप्लीकेशंस 50% इनटू टायर कॉर्ड्स नाइलॉन 6 एंड नाइलॉन 6, रोप, थ्रेड, कॉर्ड, बेल्ट्स एंड फाइबर क्लॉथ्स. राइट. फिर मोनोफिलामेंट्स, ब्रशेज, स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट्स एंड ब्रिस्टल्स नाइलॉन 610. ओके. फिर प्लास्टिक एप्लीकेशंस में आता है बियरिंग, गियरिंग्स, काम्स, रोलर्स, स्लाइड्स, डोर लैचेज, थ्रेड गाइड्स, क्लोथिंग, लाइट टेंट्स, शावर कर्टेन्स, अम्ब्रेलाज, इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर जैकेट्स नाइलॉन 11. ओके. फिर है एडहेसिव एप्लीकेशंस, हॉट मेल्ट और सॉल्यूशन टाइप, thermoset reacting with epoxy or phenolic resins, flexible adhesives for bread wrappers, dried soup packets and books binding. Okay. फिर आता है एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ पॉलीएमाइड्स. एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं? टफ, स्ट्रॉन्ग, इम्पैक्ट रेजिस्टेंट, लो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, absorption resistance, high temperature resistance, possibly by thermoplastic methods, good solvent resistance and resistance to bases. Okay. Disadvantages क्या क्या है? High moisture absorption with dimensional instability, loss of up to 30% of tensile strength and 50% of tensile modulus, subject to attack by strong acids and oxidizing agents, requires UV stabilization, high shrinker modulus section, electrical and mechanical properties influences by moisture content and dissolve by phenols. ओके. तो ये है इसकी एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. राइट. ओके. तो आज हमने पॉलीएमाइड्स को डिस्कस किया है. राइट. थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स.